Wala na tayong ano.
Kasi pinambila mo na ng fries.
Wala na tayong lira money.
Larry.
Eros, dahan-dahan. I can see the flag. Ito yung mga nakikita ko sa ano eh, sa TikTok. Yung flag na yan. Marami nagpapapicture doon. Nice. Ang fresh pula.
Yung Pikachu.
Si Juro?
Pikachu, oo nga.
Aya, Pikachu. Ah, this one, Pikachu. You think? Juro can...
Grapes,
Sarap.
pomegranate, honey, all nice.
Inside ones.
Can we just
Cherry, no? Cherry.
It's this one.
One cherry, one grape, 3 piece. Razni aromat.
You want to try different flavors, 2 different flavors, or
One pomegranate, one cherry, one grape.
Or gusto mo ito lang?
No, this one.
Only that one?
Enjoy your
Eros, pakita mo yung binili mo kay Juro. Wow! Pikachu! Pasalubong for Juro. Full gear po yan. Tingnan nyo naman. Oh, wow.
No vlog.
Wine tasting, guys. Let's go. Aray ko.
aray.
Ay, nakuha. Ay, kinagamit nila yung radio na sa nanay.
Dami.
Oh, those are brandy.
Let's go, guys. Let's go inside.
And the bread will be but with taste sweet.
Sweet.
Okay.
Sweet.
You know what is chacha? Chacha, you know?
Chacha.
Is local vodka.
Ah, I thought it's a dance.
Yes.
Cha-cha, yun eh.
No, it's a name if you drink this chacha.
Ito yung paggawaan nila. So, dito kami dadalhin. Wine testing, guys. Sa tingin mo kakayanin natin ito. Ginagawa.
Small siya.
I think we can. Kasi batak to. Isa na ito, guys. Sa UAE, hindi nyo natatanong. Kahit may duty kinabukasan, lumalabang ka.
36%.
Oh my God. Let's do this. Nasa loob na kami. Ito talaga yung mismong paggawaan nila. Grabe. Ooh.
So many cameras.
Ooh. Naamoy mo? No?
Same is twice, this name is Twishi. Grapes name is Soli Kaurin. Soli from Georgian language means wife. Sweet as your wife, Georgia says it. Come. It's only
Let's
water,
taste.
no problem. Go. Full?
Ah, no.
Ta-da!
Go, come. Come, drink. Go. Go, go. Oh, cheers.
You are man, to. Kampai, say it.
Kampay. Oh, kampay, kampay. Oh,
Try, please. For photos, if you want, you can open. Left side.
Left. Yes.
Is this sweet also same?
Sounds sweet, yeah. Wow, lastingera.
Open. Full.
Oh.
Oh, mas madami kami, bitch.
Full? Show me rice. When it's full.
No,
Okay, look why it's so cold. What's happened inside?
Oh, look at
Ice.
snow. This is snow.
Go, ice. Go. You want snow, no? Oh, wow. How how's the feeling?
Oh, that's
Oh. You want snow, right? Oh, ayan na.
Show me your hands. Two hands, yes.
You wash your face with the
Okay. Around. And washing your hands meaning 45 seconds quickly and faster. Do you have lighter? I need lighter.
Lighter?
Yeah.
No!
Go, quickly and faster. Well, you can also do this. Really. Trust me. Yeah. Go. Yeah. This is Georgian perfume. Perfume.
Perfume.
No,
Show me. Because your hands so go warm it.
Sige, magpaloko ka, girl.
You're joking.
No, smell now. Chocolate, little wood, little vanilla, no smell spirits. This is high quality brandy. Always trust me.
Oh, this brandy?
Yes, this is brandy.
Can I smell? Wow.
This, yes.
Dito na?
If you drink fully, you will be safe here.
Why? What is this?
Huh?
What is
Cha-cha.
Cha-cha?
That's the strongest one daw.
Number 3. This is very cold.
Ay.
No. Cold.
Look me, I'm in here.
What the...
Look me. One more time.
Mommy, do you want snow?
Okay, one more time. Okay.
Mommy, do you want snow? Snow? Do you want snow? Here, free snow.
Come.
Kaya pala may ganito. Tapos may bata dun, oh. Girl, may bata dun.
Ano yan?
Rainbow. Joke lang.
it? What is it?
I'm just joking.
This sauce.
Number 3?
Yeah.
See?
Number 3. No.
So the name is Cha-Cha talaga.
Cha-cha talaga.
What is this vodka, no?
This is classic cha-cha. This is with oak barrels.
Team Brandy, same with the, like Alfonso. Ayan.
Alcohol for hand carry, less than 100 grams.
This
Each
one is
one is
cute.
50 grams. So in all international airport flow, it's
Pwede
cannot take
pan-display,
any liquid more than 100 grams.
Pang-bigay na
This is
rin.
50 grams each, so it's hollow full of helium, and there is rope which will let it up and back down. It's holding. The rope is holding,
Oh.
so it will not go around the
So
bar.
it's for...
For visitors, you will pay 55 lari,
so you can ride that one.
right? They can fit a lot of people, maybe.
Which bag? The big one?
Let's go. Yeah. We're here again in our hotel. And we're back after a one-day tour.
One day.
Yeah, next day ulit. Bukas, 8:30 naman kami susunduin. Sa snow na kami. So, excited yung isang bata dyan kasi mag-snow na kami tomorrow. Na-experience niya na talaga yung snow. Jumping on the bed!
Jump on bed! Oh, jump your bed!
Ligo na! Dito na ulit kami sa room namin and we're tired but we're happy. We enjoyed a lot, especially the wine tour, the best. So, ayan guys. Kanina, nung naglalakad kami dun sa monastery, kumuha kami nito. May picture kami nito.
Wish come true. Gusto niya talagang magpa-picture sa maple.
Kaso dry na.
Kasi nga,
look.
auto na, ano na.
But I think we will keep this as a souvenir that we went here in Georgia, but not in
Canada.
not in Canada, but in Georgia. Then we bought a lot of wines. So yun, hi guys! So yan na nga, as what I'm saying, kasi hindi niya pala na-record kanina. Gusto mo yun, ang dami ko yung sabi, pero hindi pala na-record. Yun na nga, nag-wine tasting kami kanina. Then, swerte kami kasi solo group. Kasi kung marami daw groups yun, konti-konti lang yung patikim sa amin. Pero si sir na nagpatikim sa amin, grabe, as in, pupunuin niya yung, kung makikita niyo sa clips yun, grabe ko, alam mo yung sabi ko, Diyos ko, ilang wine kaya ipapataste sa atin ito ka? Puno agad, una pa lang puno na, tapos gusto niya pa yung talagang...
Isang shot lang, as in, ano.
Oo. Pero yung pinaka nagustuhan namin is itong wine number 22. Kasi marami siyang containers na talagang sobrang laki. Makikita niyo yung sa vlog namin, sa isang clips na binidyohan namin yun na sobrang laki ng place. Tapos lahat yun may laman ng wine. Tapos ito yung mga sinabi niya sa amin na masarap, which is yung wine 22 na tandaan namin. So, binili namin yung isang ganito para matikman din namin pag nasa Abu Dhabi na kami.
Description, what kind of wine is that?
Sweet wine.
White wine, yes.
But sweet. Kasi tinanong niya naman kami kung
Anong
gusto
prefer
namin niya. Kung white, red. Tapos sabi namin, gusto namin yung sweet. So, ito yung pinatikim niya sa amin. And masarap naman talaga. The next one is Cha-Cha. So, ito hindi to wine. Brandy siya. Tapos, pinatikim niya sa atin to, na niloloko niya pa kami. Sabi niya, Cha-Cha, kaya daw Cha-Cha. Kasi kapag nainom mo na to, after nun, isasayaw ka na ng Cha-Cha.
Nakaka-cha-cha.
Oo. Pinainom niya kami nito, one shot lang, girl. Makikita niyo rin yung sa clips namin. Pero grabe talaga si Kuya. Solid, no? Ang saya ng experience namin doon. Kasi talagang pinatry niya sa amin yung mga wines na nandun. Kaya tingnan mo naman yung binili namin. Talagang na-enjoy din namin yung pagpunta doon. Parang sa lahat ng pinuntahan natin, doon tayo talaga yung, ay, grabe.
Sabi nga sa amin, lasinggera daw kami.
Kasi parang siguro yung mga dumadayo doon, mga, hindi sanay. Kaya sabi ko, Diyos ko, girl, sa araw-araw na pag-iinom natin, hindi ko alam.
Grabe, sabi naman araw-araw tayo inom.
Tapos, this one, we have the Georgian brandy din. 5 years old lang to. Ito bibigay namin kay Algie. Gusto namin patikman siya nitong brandy. Siyempre solo, di ba? Favorite namin yan, si Sir. Gusto naman. Siyempre, hindi ka mawawala.
Special yan.
Special ka. Tapos, ito naman, bumili rin kami nung pang-display, which is yung Cha-Cha na maliliit. So, ito yung malaking version, ito yung maliliit. For display purposes. Kasi ang cute eh. Nakitan kami.
Tsaka
Kasi
iba-ibang flavor siya.
Oo. Ito pwede mo i-hand carry. Ito kasi check-in to. Then the rest is mga small bottles na lang siya. Ayan. Mga maliliit, pampasalubong. Ayan.
Yeah.
Di
Sa
kasi
mga-
namin kayang magdala ng ganito kalalaki since konti lang din naman yung luggage namin.
Oo.
So, ayan.
Limited kasi for 5 bottles lang
Oo.
per luggage. Check-in luggage.
So, ayan. Yung mga maliliit, pambigay sa mga bosses para hindi naman kami mapagalitan pagbalik namin. LOL!
Sa mga tropa dyan, no? Na lasinggero at lasinggera.
Yung mga alam naming nagiinom, yan, the best. Ayan, ano lang binili namin? Mga 7 ganito. Ayan,
How much? 6 lari.
6 lari. So,
Okay na din.
how much yung total bill kanina? It's 178
Lari.
lari
Yeah.
Kasi ito parang nasa 24.
Yeah.
24 siya. Then ito is 40 something.
Oo.
Tapos ito nasa how much?
40 ba yun? Not sure. I don't
30
know.
something ata to. Pero sobrang solid nito. Masarap to. Then, itong kay Sir,
Secret.
secret. Pero syempre, pinili namin yung malaki kay Sir.
Oo.
Kasi, grabe naman talaga ang
Oo.
ni-
At saka malalasing ka dyan, sir.
Oo. Gusto ko yung nalalasing kasi itong taong to eh. Para na napapahami namin kung ano mga bagay-bagay.
Uy.
So, ayun lang. Tapos, feeling ko mag-add pa kami nito. Pero sa ibang
Pero ano, dalawa na lang pwede. Kasi 5 bottles lang per luggage. Isa lang naman yung check-in natin. So,
okay.
dalawang
dalawa
bottle na lang.
Kasi
Yes.
ito pang hand carry.
Hand carry.
Okay. So, yun. Dalawa na lang yung maa-add. Pero, sulit naman. Grabe. Solid talaga.
Solid yung last, no? Kaketi. Old Kaketi
Old
wine.
kaketi yun. Tsaka ang laki niya talaga. As in. Yun. Tapos ayun, tapos na maligo isang bata dyan. Gusto nang manood ng Gabi ng Lagim. Kasi dito sa UAE, gumagana. And guys, ito, nanggaling kami kanina sa monastery. Nakuha namin tong lift na to.
May falip.
Yan. Kaso, ano na siya, dry na siya. Hindi na siya Nice, tignan. Pero kung ano naman natin, ikikip natin for memories. Ganun din naman, papatuyuin mo, di ba?
Truly.
So, nagka-picture kami dito.
La, excuse me po.
Yun lang, guys. Update namin kayo mamaya. Bye!
Bye.
Ha? Ay, sarap. Kuha muna kami ng food. Akyat kami na, girl. Wala kasi kaming chinelas. Kaya ka. So, ayan na. Pababa na, nakuha na namin yung food. We have the goods. And it's Thai food for today. Ha? Sa pag-akyat. Sa pag-akyat. So, ayun na po. It's Thai food kasi namimiss na ng jowa ko yung Thai. Look. Ayan guys, kumuha lang kami nito. Tapos ito egg omelette. Then this one is pork. This one is pork also kasi dito sa country na to may pork, right? Sabi niya ito daw is one of the best selling sa
Pero
Thailand.
hindi. Iba yung ano nyo. Kasi yung sa Thailand, kasama sa kanin na mismo. Tapos may, ano pa, may shrimp.
Okay, let's try.
The next morning.
Morning guys! Day 2 sa Georgia. Yan. Ayos na kami. Nakaganito na kami kasi malamig. Sa snow kami pupunta ngayon. At, ayan. Ready to go! Look at our outfit. Yan yung outfit niya for today. Look at that. Tapos magpapalit na lang kami nito. Siya rin, lamig na lamig. Same kami. Nang ganito rin yung pants namin. Tapos, ito rin. Ito doble to. Tingnan nyo. Oh. Diba? Meron pang isa bago yung isang layer. Tapos, meron pa siyang panloob niyan. Bago ito. Pakita mo. Ayan. It's Christmas? Meron pa. Kasi magpipicture kami mamaya actually. Kaya may panloob guys. Naka-red kami sa loob. Siya rin merong red. Siya rin meron. Pakita mo isa yun. Hindi kita.
No.
Pakita mo na.
No.
Ayan po. Charan! Kasi magpipicture kami for Christmas. Para pag posting namin on Christmas Day, nakaganito kami.
Place.
Ah, what is this? Tingnan mo. Oh.
Roundabout.
Are those people? Are those people who died?
No,
Those the queen or kings?
it's a button, you know, button for the clothes. Shape of human.
There's an ilog.
Ilog. What's an ilog in English?
River.
Oh, I didn't know. You know. I will remember. New word for me.
Teach Nico Tagalog words.
Yes, it means tree.
Uno.
Yes.
Uno. Ulog is water, river. Ulog, right?
Ilog. Ilog.
Not ulog.
Ilog.
Not ulog.
Ilonggo. Ilong.
Yes,
Ilong.
ilog.
And ulog.
Puno. Puno.
Ulog.
Punong means there's so many people. Punong.
Talaga?
Yes.
Dapat pala doon ka sa harap para dalawa kayo nag-uusap, no?
But I'm not available there.
But I'm not available.
I cannot sit there.
You can.
You
Ulog.
cannot.
Ulog. Ulog. Ulog.
We're here to buy water. Look what we found. Plastic bottle siya. Parang Coke, pero alak. Alak yung laman niya, girl. Oo. Galing, oh. Makikita mo lang dito. Sa
Georgian deer.
UAE kasi walang ganito. Yeah, we got the goods. Coffee first before anything else. The water is here. And also this 3-in-1 coffee. Well, black coffee lang yun nasa ano, no? Black coffee lang yun nasa hotel. So, ayan. Hindi kaming coffee for tomorrow.
Ada
Airbag?
airbag.
Airbag is big airbag here. Here also, I think they have here, this side and this side, but not here. But
Yeah, we're doing a stopover dito sa pictures. Pwede kami picture dito sa tatlong to. So far, 5 lari siya. Kung gusto niyo mag-take ng pictures. So baka dito kami sa gitna. Saan? Look at the view. Ganda. Second stop yung flag. Ayun, ang dami kumukuha dun sa may flag eh. Pero ito yung laging nakikita natin sa TikTok, no? Ayun, may aso, Eros. Eros, there's dog, oh. Ayan, pila-pila kami dito. And my big dog. Wow. Look at that dog, oh. Look. Ayun, ayun na. Nakatingin sa'yo. Oh, wow. Gusto mag-picture sa dog?
Gusto ko sa small. Big dog.
Ayun na, may cat, oh.
Why there's too much big dogs?
Di ba nga marami talagang dogs dito? You want?
Ay, pero bawal sa apartment.
Touch mo na lang siya. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye na tayo.
Bye.
Ananuri Castle. This one. Go run.
Around here.
Run here, here. May dress code.
Oh, it's a church.
How did you know it's a church?
Also,
Monastery.
look,
Oh. Bawal cellphone, bawal aso. Bawal maingay.
ano yan?
What's next?
Green means what? They're happy?
They're happy.
Behave well. They behave well.
What if it's red?
These real tombs though. Guys. Parang same din sa Philippines, no? It's the same in the Philippines.
We are the one we wait.
We will go.
We are very near to the homeland of King
I
Kong,
know.
Ooh.
where it was originates from, and they make very good food.
Can we now just go to the snow?
Later.
We're waiting na eh.
Santa Claus will call us. It says, okay, if
Mm.
you come snowing,
Come on!
come on, bro.
Come on!
Imagine we are in the snow, you are playing, and we all three of us say, no, let's leave, let's go. We don't
yeah.
want snow.
Well, you're
no more
still
snow.
playing.
Only
You want?
one snowball.
You know what like that?
What? We do like this.
Oh, now! Natupad na yung pangarap mo. You're happy now? So, we're going to this restaurant dito sa Godauri. Ito daw yung best in Kinkali.
It's not dumpling, it's
Kinkali. Because ito daw yung parang dito talaga nag-start yung paggawa ng dumplings. So, let's try. We'll go inside. Look at this. Yeah, this is the restaurant. So, naka-order na yung tour guide namin. So, siya na yung nag-advance order din. Kakain na. We will try the famous dumplings here in Georgia. And this is how you eat the dumplings. You need to
dumplings.
What?
King Kong.
King Kali.
I'll put it on hot, so some people like without pepper.
Especially with the beer. Yeah, so we will try it now. You fries again, even here in Georgia? Only fries? Two hands. So now we're done eating here in this restaurant. Nabusog ka ba?
Yeah.
Rating.
Yung
10
ano,
out of 10.
Sa akin 10.
10. The best. Bye.
Can I stop eating the Venus butts?
Okay?
Uulan. It means there's snow.
Inshallah.
Mami!
Inshallah.
Talaga mga pogi na bata. Hindi, lalis.
siya, yung mga white na yan. So, packet na kami para makita ang snow.